The secret side of me I never let you see. I keep it changed but I can't control it. So stay away from me, the beast is ugly. I feel the rage and I just can't hold it. It's writing on the wall, in the closet and the halls. It jumps awake and I can't control it. Hiding under the bed, in the body and my head. Why won't somebody come and save me from this making? I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become, but life has just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. My secret side I keep, hid under lock and key. I keep it caged but I can't control it. Just a phone little metal, set me up, bring me down. Why would somebody come and save me from this making? I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become, the God has just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. It's harder than the dark, it's teeth on razor sharp. This will escape for me, it was my soul, it was my heart. Now would you hear me scream? Maybe it's just a dream. Maybe it's inside of me, this monster. I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I hate what I've become, but that has just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I'm trying to lose control, get something radical. I must confess that I feel like a monster. 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 I feel like a monster.
Kiss me hot before you go. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you